Hey everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2011 Lincoln MKX. This one's pretty loaded up. It's a front wheel drive. For an 11, these things were way ahead of their time. Panel roof, blind spot assist, navigation, heated seats, Bluetooth, air conditioned seats, heated steering wheel. So definitely really loaded up. We just serviced it. Fresh oil change, transmission fluid flush, coolant system serviced. Yeah, it drives really good. Has 148,000 miles on it. Has a 3.7 V6 engine in it. You can see the inside is really clean. Nice big panel roof. Let's see here. Seats are in really good shape. Interior is very clean as well as the exterior. Has 148,317 miles. Start her up. And if this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a shout, 228-438-2056. You could call us or text us or check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. If you have a vehicle that needs servicing, like this Lincoln here or another domestic or foreign luxury car, definitely give us a holler and we'll help you out. We appreciate you checking out this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.